WLFI.com. Local health officials are bracing themselves for a potential spike in COVID-19 cases. This Labor Day weekend marks the first big holiday since Purdue students came back to campus. The university brought in around 40,000 more people to Greater Lafayette. News 18's Micah Upshaw joins us live to tell us what health leaders are saying. Hi, Micah.
Hey, Sam. Yeah, if there is a spike in COVID-19 cases here in the county, health officials say Purdue students are expected to contribute to those numbers. Now today, Purdue University did hold classes to encourage students not to go home this weekend, but health leaders are still concerned.
Labor Day weekend in and of itself, sure. I mean, with any kind of, celebration time, so to speak, it makes me a little concerned.
IU Health Arnett Dr. Chris Mansfield says health leaders have concerns about all the first times in this community. For example, the first time school districts began in-person classes this fall, the first time college students came back to campus, and the first time big holidays have taken place since COVID-19 arose.
We saw a slight uptick around Memorial Day, and we really track it on honestly an hourly or a daily basis and say, hey, how is this positivity rate over the last 7 days going? How are we doing day by day?
Dr. Mansfield says each month brings more knowledge as hospitals work to treat patients battling the virus. That's why he's confident if Tippecanoe County does see a spike in cases after Labor Day, the hospital will be able to handle it.
We've done a pretty darn good job locally of staying ahead of the curve and almost staying cutting edge, using steroids when appropriate, proning patients, meaning turning them over and having them breathe differently to open up lung capacity, but doing different techniques.
Dr. Mansfield says the number of COVID-positive Purdue students needing hospital care has stayed very low. He's confident that the university's Protect Purdue Plan and Healthcare Center will continue to work well for students, even after a holiday weekend.
We're doing everything we can to protect those students and then the community members around them. I don't know how many exited over the weekend and maybe went back to their hometowns, but my hope is if they did, they were safe while doing so.
There are currently 275 confirmed COVID-19 cases for students here at Purdue University. And earlier today I talked with the Purdue Police Chief John Cox, who was happy to report that there were no confirmed large gatherings reported at the station. I am reporting live in West Lafayette. Micah Upshaw, News 18.
Thank you so much, Micah. We have several traffic alerts to pass along to you this evening.